now we will discuss about cold application. So cold application is the application of an agent that is cooler than the skin. So today we are discussing about dry cold application. So dry cold application, we are using ice bag. This is applied locally in a dry form to the body. The purpose of ice bag is to relieve pain, to control bleeding. This is used basically in case of fracture, sprain, tooth extraction, to relieve pain after some wound, after small injuries, in case of insect bite. So now we will discuss about the articles required for ice bag or ice cap applications. For ice cap application we require an ice bag cover, a bowl containing ice, a spoon to transfer the ice cubes to the ice cap. We need a water to pour into the ice cap to check for any kind of leakage, a duster to wipe off the outer part of the ice cap, a Macintosh and a towel to prevent the soiling of the pillow, adhesive tape to paste the ice cap on its place, pinch of salt in a container to lowering down the melting point of the ice. This is the paper bag to collect the waste, pinny tray to collect the waste. Now start with the procedure. Before starting the procedure, we will explain the procedure and the purpose of the procedure to the patient. राम सिंह, आज हम आपके सिर पे ठंडी कैप रखने वाले हैं जिससे आपका जो सिर दर्द है और जो पेन है वो कम हो जाएगा. After explaining the procedure, we will make the patient in a comfortable position. Cover the patient properly to prevent from drafts. Now starting with the procedure. Open the cap of the ice cap. Pour some water. Cork it tightly. Now keep it upside down to check for any leakage. Then open it, remove the water. Empty it properly. Pour some salt over the ice cubes to lower the melting point of the ice. With the help of the spoon, transfer the ice cube to the ice pack, filling it to the 1/3 of the capacity so that it will not be too much heavy and we can apply it easily over the part. Now place it on a flat surface and expel out the air well, because air is a poor conductor of heat and cold. Then apply the cork tightly. Wipe off the outside of the cap well. Now keep it inside the cover, flannel cover. Now keep the Macintosh below the head of the patient to prevent the soiling of the or wetting up of the pillow. Apply a towel over the Macintosh. Now keep the ice cap over the head and bind it properly so that it will be at its place. Make patient comfortable. We can apply the ice cap for half an hour, but you should not continue the therapy for longer duration. If you want to repeat the therapy, you have to give a break of 1 hour in between. After completion of the therapy, leave the patient in a comfortable position, removing the Macintosh. Now keep all the articles to the utility room and replace.